I'm Mike Jolley, Senior Manager of Technical Support for the EP-Cube product at Canadian Solar. This is the hybrid breaker. You may have one or more of these breakers in your system. When you install the breaker, you want to make sure that the breaker's in good condition. These are very good breakers. Up is on, red is on. When it's off, you'll see green down here indicating it's off. You'll generally want to leave it in the on condition after the system is commissioned. And during the installation, you want to make sure that the wires are properly stripped to the correct length, not too long, which would cause bare wire to be exposed, or not too short, which may allow you to land on the insulated part of the wire instead of the actual conductor part of the wire. And then when you insert them, you'll want to make sure that they're torqued properly to 40 inch-pounds with the proper torque screwdriver. You'll also want to make sure that your polarity is correct on this. L1 is on the left, L2 is on the right. You have the black on L1 and the red on L2. Your colors may vary, but you want to stay consistent throughout the system. In the gateway, you'll have your hybrid breaker. This particular gateway only has one hybrid. You'll notice L1 is black and L2 is red on this. You can see the lines that correspond to your black and red over here on your bus bar. You'll want to carry your polarity from the gateway breaker through the termination block in the hybrid that's identified with L1. You can see here our black throughout the system is L1. Our red throughout the system is L2. You'll see the L1 and L2 terminal, and please connect those in the proper location.